morning, my friends. So it's currently 6:56, so I have 4 minutes till I have to clock into work. I just got done reading a Bible plan. Today we are going to be filming a what I eat in a day vlog since I am on Accutane, and I thought why not share this with you guys so you can see what I be eating. So I am excited for work. It's just work, nothing exciting has happened today. I have to do some training, but not like training for my actual job. They be sending us these little safety, privacy training thingies, so I have to get that done today. Normally I don't eat anything when I first wake up because I can't handle it. I will be on the toilet. So, and I just brush my teeth. I like to wait 30 minutes before and after. I'm super excited to bring you guys along my, well, a little snippet of what I do in the day, and then mainly what I eat today, which I eat a lot. Y'all don't be getting mad at me on my snacking. I really try to snack healthily. I try. Do I do that all the time? No. I'm about to get my music on. If y'all don't know, now y'all know I be listening to music. But I think I want to hear Yahweh because I have been singing it all yesterday. My favorite songs as of recent is Yahweh by Transformation Worship, Worthy by Evolution Worship, and The Lord Will Provide. It says Passion and Landon. It's cut off so I can't see the rest. And then Gratitude by Brandon Lake. And that's just a few of them, y'all. I listen to a lot of, ooh, that's who I praise, that's who I praise. That song has been in my head too. That's Brandon Lake. I'm still kind of sleepy. But I slept so good last night. Thank you, Lord, for that. I got some good sleep. But let me get all signed in and stuff. I stand in all of you. A sacrifice, the great I am. Just one thing I know, you are in control. Yahweh, Yahweh. Hey guys, so I'm going to grab a little snack because I'm actually kind of hungry. I think I'm going to have a yogurt drink. And I'm just going to grab one. I have a lot of flavors here. We're just going to pick one up. I'm grabbing strawberry. Then I'm going to get some nuts to go with it. Just something light to have, you know, not breakfast. Got my little snack, and then I'll be back at breakfast. I didn't know if this was important, but I wanted to share. I only ate half of these, and I'm going to stop here because I'm good. It fulfilled what I need to fulfill, and I only drank half of this. So, probably when I'm ready to snack again later on, I'm going to grab these two things again. I am going to put this back in the refrigerator along with these, because you know how if something sits in front of you, even though you're not hungry, you just want something to do. I'm that person, so I'm going to just go put it up. And the next time you see me, we'll probably definitely be at breakfast, so for sure, because it's 7:50 now. About to be an hour since I've been at work. Just a chilling, listen to my music and chilling. Hi guys, checking in with you all. It is currently 10:43 Central Time Zone. The reason I do that is because I work on Eastern time zone, but my stuff is Central, so it gets a little confusing sometimes. So I have to like figure out which one I'm looking at. But work computer says 11:43, so I think I'm about taking my break around 12:30 Eastern. So almost break time or almost lunch time. Am I hungry? Yeah, I will be hungry by then because I can feel like the start of rumbleness. My lunch was very good. The mango was weird because I don't know why they was like that. I didn't like that at all. And then my orange, I only ate half an orange, which is the other half is sitting there. I got it sitting there because I was going to eat it with my lunch, the other half. I'm just sitting here watching some YouTube. Found this channel, Life on Promise View Acres, and I like it so far. It's my goal. I would love to have a farm. Like, the things that I dream of, the things that I view as fun, I don't think most people my age would think that's fun. But like, that is what I look up to. Having my own farm and going out and picking my own vegetables. Not, like, one thing about me, I don't want to be reliant on the government. Not that I'm saying that you can't. You definitely can, but I don't want them to be in control of my life. And that just means trying to create my own wealth. And wealth to me is not just money. It's a lot more than that. And I would love to have my own farm to go out and get my own. Because I be feeling like I be getting ripped off at the grocery store, y'all. So if I can just go shop my own stuff out of my own farm, that would be great. And I'm not saying relying on the government is bad. Heck no, we need the government for a lot of things. But I don't want to be, is the word independent on them or dependent? I don't want to be dependent on them. Like, I want to make sure I'm investing in my 401k, you know, stuff like that. I don't want to be like, oh, well, I know the government's going to give me Social Security. No. Handle my stuff. And if they give us stuff, if they do give me stuff, then they do. If they don't, it don't matter because I took care of myself. That's just my goal. That's what wealth look like to me. I'm sitting here working and spaced out talking. But I'm going to keep on watching my YouTube video. I will see you guys at lunch. I really just want to check in with you guys, see what y'all had going on. And y'all can see what I have going on. Just hopping in and say I lied. I'm back on this now. I am hungry. But lunch is in 30 minutes, so. But I couldn't wait. I'm hungry. Told y'all I do a lot of snacking. I don't think my meals be enough. I don't know. I'm struggling with portion size. I don't know. Lunchtime finally, and I am having me a tuna salad with noodles. I decided to use chickpea noodles in hopes that I can get more protein so I can stay full longer. This is what it looks like. I was really worried about the chickpea noodles. Thought they were gonna be nasty. Tastes like noodles to me. They're a little hard. Like when I first made them, when I bit into it, it was way softer. Now they're a little harder, like they're a little firm. Not like when noodles are not done. I don't know how to explain it, but they're not bad. Got my orange and my accutane. Once I get halfway done with these noodles, I'll go ahead and take my accutane. Has been taken. I brought me an orange, the other half from breakfast, and I'm almost done with my pasta. I'm actually getting quite full. I don't know if I'm going to finish it. If I don't, what I don't finish, I'll just put back in my container. You know, I'm the only one living here, so it doesn't really matter. Tanjiro in the cut. Okay. Good evening, guys. I have washed my hair. I'm about to have some dinner. It's gonna be a taco salad. So on this plate that I'm gonna put in the microwave, we're just gonna all the stuff that needs to be warmed up. Beans. This is just some regular white rice. And then the taco meat, which is ground turkey. I had this yesterday. This was so good. Probably my favorite meal that we did for meal prepping. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. This is what it's looking like. Celery. I tried it yesterday. It's actually pretty good. I'm just trying to use this last little bit. I don't want it to go bad. Onions. Red onions to be exact. Peppers. And we got a mixture of yellow and red. I'm not sure. And then my little pico. That's not really pico. It's like cilantro, lime, tomatoes. Tonight, I think I'm gonna try some Fritos on top of this because I had it yesterday and the only thing it was missing was that crunchiness that you would get from a tortilla. So Fritos are corn chips, so we're gonna try that tonight. I'm excited. So y'all, I'm reading a new book called Heartbone. So far, so good. I'm loving it. I think I'm on chapter like 5. Very, very early in the beginning stages. Okay, so this is how it's looking before the salsa. Yummy in my tummy. Oh, before the salsa and the chips, actually. Got the corn chips. And we're just gonna place this right on top of the beans in the middle. A good bit, because this is a big salad. And this sauce is so good. Looks really good. I'm super excited to eat it. And then, like I said, we have these chili cheese fries, and I still haven't eaten that orange, so probably gonna eat it tomorrow with my breakfast. Put it back in the refrigerator. Okay, got my water, got my dinner. The gentleman is on, so we're about to have a good time. I'll see you guys for dessert. Ice cream. I am gonna go ahead and close the video out here because I'm gonna go blow dry my hair, y'all, after I eat this ice cream. I will see you all in the next video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it gave you some insight on what you can eat during accutane. Really just fatty foods. It's really much all you need. I just making a full video out of it because to be 100% honest. Yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much. If you made it this far, comment down below a carrot, even though I didn't even have a carrot. Other than that, I have nothing else to say. Don't want to waste any more of your time. Peace. Bye, guys.